Where is it? Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a bird in the cabin. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to get him to go the other way. That way, that way. Yeah, yeah. You're so close. You're so close. Go. Yes, you're looking at it. Watch out, Max. That way. Go. Nope. Wrong way. No, no, no. I feel so bad.
No way.
Where did he poop? Oh, don't poop on me. Come on. This way. Oh, poor thing. I feel so bad. Yep. Go, 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 go. Yes, 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 yes. Yay! Close the doors. He's out. Alright, well, nothing says wilderness than having a bird in your cabin. We got him out, yay! He did poop in the cabin, but we cleaned it up.
Did you hear that sound? It's like a funny squeaking sound. I came in here and I heard something just going and I was like, what is that? So I turned around the corner and he was fighting himself in the mirror.
Oh, that was funny.
I thought there was another bird.
I felt so bad for him. It was like a big cluster because the kids wanted to see, but they were standing in the door. He's not gonna fly through the door because they're standing there, and I'm trying to kind of scare him towards the door. This poor thing. We finally got the kids out of the cabin, and the bird got out of the cabin. That was fun.
And he pooped in the table!
He pooped in the table. We watched it. Yeah, we made sure we watched it. Alright, so we're checking out today, and that's why we had the doors open because we were bringing stuff out, so that was kind of our fault. We're just about done packing up the car. I think we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom today. If you guys follow us on Instagram, which is right here, you might have seen a little addition to our description. We're excited to finally be able to announce that we are now DVC members. We're so excited. And of course, we chose Bay Lake for our home resort.
I mean, how could you not?
How could you not? This is officially our home. We're so excited. So I wanted to ask you guys if you're interested, because we ended up buying resale, which was a lot cheaper. Would you guys be interested in us like sitting down and kind of going over our process of buying through resale? Let us know in the comments. But like I said, it did save us a lot more money than going direct. However, there are some pros and cons with going resale versus direct and vice versa. But let us know in the comments if you'd like us to sit down and kind of go over the process and everything that went into buying resale. So we usually have a tradition. It is not something that we plan to do, but we always just flock to it. We always, once we get into Magic Kingdom, unless we have a fast pass, we head right to the people mover. Alright guys, so we're coming up on the very famous purple wall, but since the last time we've been here, they've changed it a little bit. And I don't know, it's been getting a lot of heat, but I kind of like it. Let's take a look. We need to do some promotional shots anyway, so let's go take a peek. Purple. Purple wall, purple wall, purple wall. Purple wall. Wait, what's this? I want to take some shots of your shirt here. When we were going through security, the security card asked me if I had a pirate's license. And I just laughed it off because I'm like, oh, I don't understand. It's because I'm carrying a cannon. Get some lunch. We did our mobile order for Harbor House, and we're just gonna get a seat and wait for our order to be ready. So we went upstairs and we're people watching. I love it. Maybe we'll see one of you guys. Are you out there? Alright, so we just got done eating. We're gonna head into Fantasyland. It's pretty busy and the lines are long. So I don't know how much longer we're gonna stay here and how much more we're gonna do. But we're just gonna play by ear. But yeah, we're gonna go check out some Fantasyland rides. Maybe Feel Our Magic and Small World, maybe Ariel. The Norms.
You sing the song? Small World? Sing it. Sing it. Hey Max. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it.
Was he singing it earlier?
He was. I'm just trying to get him on camera. Sing it. Oh, he's doing it. I think they should, instead of increasing the ticket fees and making people charge for parking, I'd be alright if they just vacuumed up all the change out of there.
They should.
And, you know, just whatever, to pay for whatever.
All of the money.
Yep, just vacuum it up out of
Small World. You wonder how much is in there because it's throughout the whole ride.
Yep. They could have my few wishes I threw in there or whatever. Just
I already threw them money. I'm not throwing any more money out.
I just want them to vacuum it up and use it.
Yeah. There's your parking fees right there, Disney.
It's down there.
Go get Pixie dusted? Yeah! Alright, let's go try. Okay, so we ended up getting Pixie dusted. Ellie, come here. Come here. In her hair. And apparently it wasn't recording when they were doing it, but you come into Castle Couture and go to one of the cashiers and you can get Pixie dusted in your hair. So yeah, we're gonna go and relax before we drive home. She is delirious.
Yep.
Are you tired?
No.
Look at her little gap in between her teeth. Any of your teeth loose? Check them. Try the bottom front teeth. Loose? Not yet. Boy. Any day now, though. You're getting old.
No, I'm not.
You're getting old. Your teeth are going to be falling out of your head.
What happens when you get all of your teeth loose?
Well, when your teeth fall out, as a kid, when your teeth fall out, your adult teeth push. That's why they get loose. Your adult teeth are coming in and they push your baby teeth out. Your adult teeth says, it's time to get out, baby teeth.
Do you have baby teeth?
Nope. Hey guys, here's a little bit of trivia for you. Okay guys, so if you see the trivia, this is outside the market at Contemporary. If you see the trivia, it's not just for your knowledge. Go inside. They have like, it's a game, and we answered, and we get little bragging right pins. Look at these.
So we have Trivia Champion and Trivia Master. So
Trivia Champion, Trivia Master. Champion, and we'll take the Masters.
all right.
Thank you.
Pins.
Trivia Master and Trivia Champion. That's cool. That's a little fun thing to do.
That's funny.
Okay guys, that is it for us today in this trip. If you like what you saw, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you're part of the Neverland family every Thursday. And also, we wore our new game shirts. Frank has the Tomorrowland, and we ended up getting a lot of compliments on this shirt. So these are releasing in May, early May. I'll have the exact date soon on our shop's Instagram page, which is at Neverland Threads. And don't forget to check out the description below for a discount code just for our YouTube viewers. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next Thursday on our next Disney vlog.